Hello everyone, welcome back to my blog or YouTube channel. Most of my videos are main course recipes, so let's make some dessert for a change. I chose an awesome Italian classic called Tiramisu. This no-bake dessert is so easy to make that I actually asked one of my sons to show you how it's done. I had to bribe him with 20 bucks, since he's quite camera shy, so I hope it was worth it. Let's see how he did. You will need just a bunch of ingredients to make tiramisu. Ladyfinger biscuits, mascarpone, 5 or 6 eggs, sugar, cocoa powder, and a touch of some low-alcohol liqueur, such as amaretto. Start by separating the egg yolks from the whites. A word of caution here, tiramisu uses raw eggs, so make sure you are working with high-quality eggs from a reputable source. Add 5 tablespoons of powdered or granulated sugar and whisk it with the eggs. Once incorporated, add 2 tablespoons of vanilla sugar and whisk until the yellow color becomes somewhat pale. We need 2 standard cups of mascarpone. These are usually 250 grams or 8 ounces each. Whisk them into the cream until smooth and lumps free. Grab a hand mixer now and proceed with the egg whites. Keep mixing or beating until the whites become stiff and peaks are forming. Start gradually adding the beaten egg whites into the cream now. Mix gently with a silicone spatula as you go, so the foamy egg whites retain their volume. The finished cream should have a smooth and thick texture. Coffee is an important ingredient. We will need about a cup of quality espresso. Add a shot of amaretto liqueur and mix it in. And it's time to assemble the dessert. We can use a standard baking dish. Start by making a thin cream layer at the bottom of it. Next comes a layer of ladyfingers dipped in coffee. Do not let them soak up too much coffee. A quick dip from both sides is all we need. For an extra creamy texture, leave some spaces in between the ladyfingers. Proceed by making the second cream layer. Make sure you leave enough cream for the final one, so don't use more than half of what you have left. Continue with the second layer of our coffee-dipped ladyfingers and finish it up with the final layer of the delicious cream. Spread it evenly and make sure every part is properly covered with it. The final step is to properly dust our tiramisu with cocoa powder. Use a simple strainer to make sure the cocoa layer is nice and even. Our tiramisu is done and it's time to let it cool down properly in the fridge. Once cooled down, we are ready to serve. Our version of tiramisu is very creamy, so it's kind of hard to take out a nicely shaped piece. But we tried hard and it worked out pretty well on the second try. Don't you agree? Bon appetit, my friends! I hope you liked this video. Let my son know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more. See you next time!